Hi guys, so today we're going to cover how to update a spreadsheet. So first you got to go on to the WS Tasks folder and click on eText Request Sheets. There you'll see Fall 2018 or Summer 2018 because those are the two current ones that we're doing. For this case we'll just say Fall 2018. So double click that, and there it will open and you'll see green, pink, and purple. For these colors currently, green means that we have not received those files, purple means it's just waiting to be uploaded, and pink means it needs to be edited. When taking a book off the spreadsheet, make sure to go in order. Never rearrange the spreadsheet or skip over any books unless notified. Make sure to see what book was added last to our eText logbook. In order to decide what book is next, look at the color code. If you're not too sure what the color codes mean, here at the bottom of the tab you got color code and it tells you everything. So going back to in progress, we will pick a book and put the author's last name and the title of the book in the eText logbook. So say we did McArdle, Exercise Physiology, Nutrition, Energy, and Human Performance. That is where we would put the book in the eText book and we'd do all the editing. If that book has been done, like finished editing, we're gonna hover over the 5 and here you'll see that the whole thing is lit up and you're gonna scroll up here above the little paint box and pick the color that you want to be done. So purple would be it just needs to be uploaded, or white would mean it's done, and that means that you did actually upload it. So let's say that we did upload it. So we put it in white. There, you would then put the completed date, so today's date is 6/29, and then you would have uploaded it onto Plato as well, and you put 6/29 too. So once that is done, you go, scroll, put save, and save it. For whatever reason, if Laura is on it or anything, it will say that, like, notify us when you can get access to the folder and stuff. But for that, don't just wait. Just tell, if Laura has it open, just tell her and ask her to close out of it, and she will. Or if not, just make a note on the bottom of it in the eText logbook saying that you need to go back and fix it. Okay guys, I hope this helps.